Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Today I am going to share my entry number 3. This comes from Liana, and she is It's a Deal on YouTube, and I will link her channel in the description box. You know, guys, it's my hope that you visit the channels and hopefully like the content and subscribe to their channels. And, you know, give them that thumbs up. We all need a thumbs up on our videos. It just helps immensely. So I'm hoping that you guys are, you know, doing that just to help each other out. So without further ado, I just took it out of the envelope, and look at this cute, adorable bag. I don't know where she got it, but it is so cute. I really like that. Liana, thank you. So she has tied a bow on the top with some tulle, and this tulle has some foiling on it. It's so pretty. I don't have any of this, and I don't remember seeing it either. So that is so pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. I'm gonna save this, and I'm sure I can find somewhere to use it. Love that. So thank you for that, Liana. That's an extra goodie. I always call them extra goodies because that's what it is. So I'm gonna take everything out of this bag, this adorable bag, and we can look at this bag together. Look at that bag. Oh my goodness. I don't remember seeing this bag anywhere, but then again, I haven't really been shopping. That is so cute. I love it. I love it because it's, you know, the pinks and it's pastel, and yeah. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Solid back. That is so pretty. And then she included this cute little bag. That is so cute. So I'm assuming, I don't know, I maybe it's a printable, maybe, I don't know. She included this adorable bag. That is so cute. That is so adorable. Thank you very much, Liana. And then this is her embellishment box, so I'm going to set that aside for a little bit and see what is stuck here. Okay, so she's included this cute little box with this adorable tag. And oh, it's got stuff on it. Oh, okay, it's like a tag flip. So let us see what that is. That is so cute. Look at that, a little tag pocket. Oh, it's a little tag flip. This one is a tag pocket. This one is a tag, and it's got an eyelet on the top. It's got washi all the way around. It's Dia de los Muertos washi. I don't have any of that. That's pretty. That's very pretty. And this is a tag pocket. So I'm going to take out this. Yes, it's a cute little tag pocket. It's got this pretty little ghost, and it says creepy. And it's got a pretty little flower here with a bling in the center. And it did get stuck to something, or to the rosette on the embellishment box. But it's I was able to salvage it. So that's really cute. Very cute. So oh, I like this. You know, honestly, I don't know if this was stuck in the back or not, if it was meant to come out, but I like it. I can use her. Oh, she is cute, and she's purple. So here is her information. Liana, YouTube, It's a Deal, Instagram, It's a Deal 105. Her favorites are pastels, anything girly, mermaids, Disney stickers, die cuts, bows, embellishments. So that is her business card, and again, I'm going to link her in the description box so you can go visit her and see what she's up to. So thank you, lady. I really, really like her. I wonder if she's a die cut. Okay, so there's that. So we're gonna open this little box. It's a pink box with it's a white box with marbled in pink. And I don't know if she made the box or she bought it like that, but it's very pretty. Or maybe it's a jewelry box, you know, one of the jewelry boxes, and then maybe she just covered it, but that's really pretty. It's real thick. And then yes, she did put some, I'm gonna pour these out just so we can look at them together. That's a cute little box. Great idea. Okay, so she has a little cupcake pick here, and that is a cute little ghost. And she's got other ephemera oh, she's got little stickers. They're not stickers. Some chipboard pieces here. And I don't know where these came from, but they are in all the cute, pretty colors. They're not dark, so she put a lot of them in here, guys. There's that, oh, how pretty, that little ghost with the cute little eyes. Silver bat, ghost, or I'm sorry, a skeleton, trick or treat. I love these colors. Actually, you guys know I just hauled a paper pad with these colors on there, and they are going to match perfectly. And then here are some more. Purple spider, the green pumpkin, silver, another ghost, that little guy. And those are so pretty. I just love those colors. Thank you, Liana. That's very, very helpful. And then she has a tulle bow here. Oh, she's so cute. She has a glittered purple tulle bow with a little ghost right in the center, resin piece. That is so pretty. So, so cute. Thank you. And then she has a pin in here, and that one is Halloween. And then she's got, look at this, guys. Ah, that looks so pretty. You know, I bought stuff to, you know, I bought resin because I have some molds, and I just haven't gotten to it just because I was sick and stuff. And look how pretty that turned out. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, lady, you did good. Or I don't know if she made it, but oh, that's beautiful. I'm assuming she did. So super cute. I like that. Thank you. And then she's got some bells here. Purple and black. She's got this cute little guy. She's got this dude. Those are pretty. She's got an owl. And then she's got some charms here. Oh, how pretty are these? Oh my gosh. I hadn't seen that they were, you know, little ghosts. Look at the pumpkins. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. There's the witch hats. Oh my gosh, those are beautiful. Oh, wow. Thank you. Oh, I had not seen these anywhere. That's why I sound like I'm stunned. But just because I hadn't seen them anywhere, those are so pretty. Lady, I love those. Thank you. So that was in the little box. I'm going to leave this out. Okay, so there is our box. And then this is her her entry. She's got her embellishment box. That is so cute. So when I was trying to remove the creepy, the little bow that was on the ghost popped off, but I can, you know, easily attach it. It just, you know, it's attached with hot glue. And look at those bows. Aren't those adorable? Look at this blue one, this aqua. It looks like sea glass. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Thank you. She's got a rosette at the bottom, and then a crepe paper rosette, and then she's layered all these ephemera pieces on the top. Beautiful blue star, and then the little bows on the pumpkin and the ghost. And she's got the candy in the back. Oh, so pretty. Pretty, pretty. And she covered the front. So I am going to open this up. And oh my gosh, oh how cute, how adorable is this little guy. I'm gonna put this over here so I don't lose it. How adorable is that little guy? Oh my goodness, I wonder if this is a downloadable file, because I do not remember seeing that. That is so pretty. So in her box, she's got some stars, my lucky stars. She's got these tiny rosettes. Oh my gosh, guys, I know that's work. So she's got these tiny, tiny rosettes. And then on this side, she has, oh, how cute. The safety pins, how cute are these? This one's got a tassel. It's got a little spider. Kind of looks like a jelly bean spider. And then it says wand. How cute. She's got another one that says cat. What a good idea. Oh my goodness. Those are so cute. I really like those. Great idea, lady. Thank you. And then in the center, she's got, oh, look at this cute lollipop. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. I wonder if she made that. That is so pretty. I love that color. And then she's got a tassel. And look at those pretty colors on the tassel, guys. Oh, that is beautiful. And then she's got a resin piece that has RIP on it. So pretty. And then these gumball beads. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, thank you. And then on this side, she has got some half balls that are covered in sequins trim. And then this one is covered in like a yarn trim. Those are pretty. I don't have any of those. Thank you. And then on this side, she's got some pins on this side, and they are Halloween. This one says Boo. That one has that gorgeous little witch on there. And then she's got some, oh, she's got little cards in here, like little ephemera pieces. Oh, you know what these are? These are, yeah, they're cards. Like a deck of cards almost. Creeping It Real, Happy Fright Night. And it, you know, they have, she's got various ones in here. I like these. Pretty. Well, thank you, lady. I really like those. And then in this last one, she's got some, oh, look at the little ice cream cones. How cute. Oh, they go this way. Another button, and then a purple fly and a green fly. Those are cute. No, those are cute. Those are really cute. I like those. Those are adorable. I like this little box. That is so cute. Alrighty, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this little box. It is chock full of all the pretties in there. And love, it's a deal. How pretty. I love this little box. All right, guys, that was entry number 2, Liana, It's a Deal, and you will find all her information in the description box. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.